Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6-7, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started on the left hand side with the number 6, and we're going to start with a nice big circle for that left eye. Let's move down now closer towards the bottom, and we're going to draw in another circle. Now on the top left-hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then coming underneath for the pupil, we're just going to draw in another circle connecting that from the bottom to the top. And then we're just going to color this in black. Now let's draw in the number 6. So coming up for the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out. From that point, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top. Now to the side of this, we're going to bring this line over. And then again, we're just going to follow this through on a diagonal. Let's bring this line over and across on a diagonal again. And then we're going to bring this back through on a diagonal towards our eye. We're going to start to zigzag this down on a diagonal now. So from this line, we're going to bring this line out and then back down. We're going to connect this again, bringing this over, back down, leaving a small gap between the eye. And then one last time, we're just going to bring this line out just past our eye on the left. Now we're going to flatten this out. So we're going to draw this diagonal line coming through parallel to the eye. We're going to draw a small line that comes out. And then we're going to follow again this diagonal line coming through. Let's draw another small line coming in. So we're just going to end this at the same width as the line on the top. And then we'll pull our line down on a diagonal. Let's curve this line across slightly on the bottom towards the right. Let's bring this line up and then across. And then one more time, we're just going to bring this line up and over. Now let's bring this line through on a diagonal towards the top. We're going to pull this line in, bringing that back through. And let's finish off the top by dragging this line in to the eye. Let's draw in the center of the number 6 here. So we're just going to draw in a small line that comes out, bringing that down. We're going to follow this line across and then bringing that down again. And then we'll bring this line in. Now from here, we're going to bring this down on a diagonal again. And then we're going to flatten this out as we come through on the bottom. Now let's bring this line back up, and then we're going to bring this line over. And then we're going to tuck this line in underneath the eye. Let's draw on our hand over to the left-hand side. So from the side here, we're going to draw on a small diagonal line coming out for the wrist. And then on the top, we're going to flatten this out, bringing this line over. Let's close off the arm up above with another diagonal line pulling through to the side of the body. And then we're going to draw in a small diagonal line on the arm. Now let's draw a small line coming down. And we're going to draw on the thumb. So on top of this, stepping out, we're going to draw in another straight line across. Now from here, let's draw in 2 diagonal lines, one on the top and one on the bottom. We're going to flatten this out now. And then from each corner, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming down, ending these at the same height. Now from here on the back, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming over. And then on the front, we're just going to flatten that out with a straight line. Let's close off the hand. So from this corner, we're going to bring this line in. Now from that corner again, let's draw a diagonal line coming across. We're going to do the same on the top, spreading that out, ending that at the same width. We're going to add a slight curve to this line here. So we're just going to curve this line over and through towards the side. And then stepping up, let's replicate that again, curving this over and across. Now in the middle, as we come up, we're going to draw in another curved line, stretching that through. Let's draw in a straight line right in the middle. So we're going to bring this line out on a slight diagonal, and then we're going to flatten this out as we bring this down on the top. We'll do the same moving up. So for the top here, another diagonal line, and then we're just going to flatten that out as we move down on the bottom. One last time. So we're going to bring this out on a diagonal on the bottom, and then we're going to flatten this line out as we pull that through. Let's draw on the leg. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal. We're going to step in, lining that up at the same height, replicating that. In the middle here, let's curve this line over. Dropping down, leaving a big gap, we're going to replicate that again. Let's close off the leg. So we're just going to curve this line over. Now from here, stepping out on the top, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line. We'll do the same thing on the back coming out. Now let's connect this. So we're going to bring this diagonal line over, and then we're going to close this off on the side with a straight line. Now let's draw on the foot. So on the back, we're going to pull this line down. Stepping in on that inside corner, we'll replicate that, just making this one smaller. And then we'll do the same thing as we follow through on the top. Now from here, we are going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same on the inside, ending that at the same distance there. And then from each corner, we're just going to pull this line straight down towards the bottom. Let's flatten this out, bringing this over. And then we're going to pull that through as we come in behind. Let's step up for the sole of the shoe, replicating that diagonal line. And then we'll do the same as we bring this over towards the top left. And then now just adding in a small detail line, we're just going to bring this line over. Now let's draw in the number 7. So as we come over on the right hand side, we're going to line this up at the same height, drawing in another circle for that right eye. Coming further down towards the bottom, we're going to draw in another circle. As we move in on the top left, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then moving underneath for the pupil, we're going to curve this all the way around and then through on the top. And now let's just color that in black. Now let's draw on the number 7. So coming out on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and then pulling that up. We're going to bring this line across again towards the left. And then we're going to bring this line up on a diagonal. We're going to pull this line all the way across now towards the right, stretching that out past the eye. And then we're going to bring this line down. We're going to line this up at about the same height as the line on the top on a diagonal as we come across. We'll pull this line in on a diagonal again. Let's come down. We're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to bring this in towards the eye. Let's follow through underneath. We're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out and then in. Again, bringing this down and then over. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line through. We're going to bring this line across towards the left. And now let's bring this line all the way through and up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to bring this line over. We'll pull this line back up towards the top, bringing that across towards the eye. Now let's draw on the right arm. So on the top here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. From here for the thumb, we're going to pull this line up. We're going to bring this line over on the bottom and the top, ending that at the same distance there. And then we're going to close this off with another diagonal line. Let's flatten this out on the top. So we're going to bring this line over on the top and bottom. And then we'll do the same thing underneath. Now let's close this off by bringing this line up and then pulling that in on the top. Let's come down. We're going to draw in a nice big rectangle. So stepping over, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming through. We're going to bring this line down on a diagonal on the bottom and the top. And then again, we're just going to close this off with another diagonal line. Right in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line, and then stepping over on both sides, leaving an even width. We're just going to replicate that. Now let's step up. We're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming over, and then we'll bring this line out on the top. Let's bring this line through, extending this past the fingers. We're going to pull this line over towards the right, and then we're going to bring this line back up. Now here for the rest of the arm underneath, just a small diagonal line coming through. Then we're going to add in a small detail, bringing this line across. Lastly, we just have to draw in our right leg. So stepping over on the inside, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across, stepping up, replicating that, ending that at the same width, just connecting that to the body. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Stepping up, we're going to draw in another curved line, and then moving through one more time, finishing that off. Now let's step over. Let's draw a small diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same on the back. Now from here on the inside, drawing in another diagonal line coming through. And then we're going to flatten this out as we come over. Let's bring this line down on the back on a diagonal. On the inside, a small diagonal line. Same thing on the outside, just ending those at the same distance there. Now from here, let's pull these lines across. And then we're going to flatten this out as we come down on the bottom. Let's close this off on the back with a diagonal line. And then we're going to pull this line across on the bottom. Let's move up for the sole of the shoe, replicating that. And then we're going to tuck this in by pulling this through behind. And then right on the top here, just drawing in another diagonal line right in the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw 6, 7. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.